This super heavy set is just under 2 lakhs. This is Faber Castell's Art and Graphic limited edition set. It's got a range of 240 color pencils, 120 of which are all oil-based Polychromos pencil and 120 are watercolor pencils. You also have an amazing range of brush tip markers which are called Pitt Artist, and you also have their newly launched Albrecht Dürer water-soluble markers which are also dual tip. And if you love monochrome, we've got an amazing range of Pitt Artist graphite pencils. You've got water-soluble graphite, you've got woodless pencils, so you can really experiment, make powder from them, use the accessories, the blending stumps, the eraser pencil, and create amazing highlights. So if you've got an artist friend, tag them in this video and you can buy this at htconline.in. Bye-bye.